and time, roll.
Reds 4 and 5 roll back to form eagle formation as the jets pull up into a loop at 400 miles an hour. As they slow down now to about 120 miles an hour, 6,000 feet above us, you can see they've reformed that one big red arrow. I said before that it's been a big year for the United Kingdom, and that we, the Red Arrows, like to think we represent the very best of British. Let's see how patriotic everyone's feeling here today. Here's some red, white and blue. Let's have a big round of applause for Her Majesty the Queen and for Great Britain. On the left of the leader with white smoke is the last of our first-year pilots. That's Red 3, Flight Lieutenant Mike Child. Chaiki is another former Hawk flying instructor. More recently, he's been flying the Typhoon, the Royal Air Force's newest fighter. But his duties have been on quick reaction alerts and protecting the airspace of the UK and the Falkland Islands. And to our right now, you can see the team are forming a diamond. With 7 jets, we call this short diamond. Get your cameras ready and keep your arms ready to wave for the short diamond roll.
It's not far from there, it's probably
The aircraft there, 2,500 feet above us at 400 miles an hour and only 6 feet away from each other. Well, that's the end of the first half of our display, ladies and gentlemen. We've seen close formation flown in a rather dynamic fashion. We're now going to change the tempo as we show you how the Hawk aircraft can perform. The Red Arrows fly the BAE Systems Hawk T1, which was designed as an advanced jet and weapons trainer and has been in service with the Royal Air Force since 1976. It's very agile and precise. We're about to show you why all of us pilots love to fly it. Out to the front now, you can see the front 5 aircraft are straightening. That's Reds 1 to 5, who we call Enid, after Enid Blyton's famous 5. Synchro pair are tucked in behind. So now get your cameras ready as they roll out to start the second half of the display. Smoke comes on for the detonator.